Kia ora, and welcome to Mahara 26.04. We are very excited to share this release with you. I'm Kristina Hoeppner, lead of the Mahara project at Catalyst IT. Our team in Aotearoa, New Zealand, together with community members and business partners from around the world, have been hard at work bringing you this latest release. And this release, if I may say so, is special. Later this year, we will be celebrating the 20th anniversary of Mahara. That's 2 decades of supporting portfolio learning in education and the workplace. So think of this as our anniversary edition, and we've made sure it's worth celebrating. None of this would have been possible without our incredible community. Every organization with an active subscription helps fund the ongoing development work of Mahara. There are also a number of organizations that provided code updates themselves or sponsored specific new and changed features. Thank you so much for all of your contributions. This is your release too. So what's new? The big focus this time was a fresh new look and feel backed by research. We ran an extensive usability review with input from our community members and took a hard look at information architecture. The result is a more consistent, modern experience that feels instantly familiar because it draws on design patterns you already know from other platforms. No more reorienting between the different areas in Mahara. All is very consistent and easy to take in. Everything you need is now right there in the left-hand navigation. Your portfolios, groups, people, and reusable content such as files, continuing professional development activities, and journals. They are all just one click away. You can collapse the menu to save space or keep the labels visible. And when you're editing a collection, the page navigation stays with you the whole time, even in edit mode. Jump between pages without losing your place. You can even add a new page to a collection without leaving it. Editing a page is now faster and more intuitive. The most common content types are right there in the toolbar, ready for you to drag onto your page. And yes, we've moved away from calling them blocks. They are now content types and sections to use language that is more familiar to you when thinking about an article or a page in different sections within it. We've also done some consolidation. In 2504, we merged the image and image gallery sections. Now in 2604, we've brought all 4 journal types together into one section. Place a journal section onto a page, decide what you want to share, and then change it anytime. There's no need to start from scratch. We've also merged text and notes into a single powerful text section. If you're upgrading, everything is converted automatically. You don't have to do anything. And here's something really exciting. You can now record audio and video directly inside the editor. It's an experimental feature, so your site administrator needs to switch it on first, and you'll need Chrome, Firefox, or Opera as your browser. Once enabled, you'll see a couple of new buttons in your editor, the audio and video capture buttons. They allow you to record a quick reflection without typing a single word. Try it out, and we'd love to hear your feedback. Do you have people with duplicate accounts? The new account merge feature handles that cleanly and directly. There's no more exporting and re-importing of portfolios. Content moves across seamlessly, and there's no big back and forth needed which account to keep and what to keep. There is plenty more packed into this release. Group portfolios, for example, can be submitted directly to Moodle via the assignment submission plugin. That is great news for collaborative assessments. The updated plugin will be available shortly, and we'll then create a demo for you with that. Administrators, this release also has some great new features for you. You can now control exactly how portfolios are shared with people who don't have an account because we've separated public portfolios and secret URLs. This is perfect for tailoring privacy settings across different institutions and age groups. Institution admins can now create and manage smart evidence frameworks entirely on their own. They don't need to loop in a site admin anymore. And you can make small edits to active version 1 frameworks directly in the built-in editor. But now over to you. Mahara 2604 is all about making the portfolio experience smoother and more enjoyable for your learners and for you. We can't wait to see what your community creates with it. Do you have questions or want to explore features with us? Join one of our regular Ask Me Anything sessions or head to the support forum. We'd love to hear from you.